Alrighty guys, welcome to the next step in Simplified Shopify. As you can see, I went ahead and changed my logo right over here just because you do want to start branding yourself. You want to keep it consistent, and I think it just looks better. If you go down here to the thumbnail, you'll see it all fits in that little circle, and that's key. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and set up your ad account now. Now what you're going to want to do is start by opening a business account because this is going to be crucial moving forward after this. So you're going to type in business account ad manager on Google. You're going to go to the business.facebook, and then once you're here, you're going to go and click create account. Business name, it can be whatever, but we're going to go with One Steal at a Time. Scott Freed. Business email, I'm just going to do my throwaway email before they go ahead and click finish. Alrighty, and once you're here, you're going to start adding your pages and ad accounts to this business account. So go ahead and find that page that you just made, link that up, add page. Now you're going to add the ad account. Now before you add an ad account, you have to first, of course, create it. So you're going to first go to business settings right over here. And then once you get to your business settings, you're going to go to ad accounts, click add, and then create new ad account. Your ad account name can be anything, but just keep in mind that this ad account is what's going to control all your future stores that are going to be in the same niche from your original general store, because this is what's going to keep the pixel in line with everything else. So this is very important. I'm going to go ahead and name it One Steal at a Time, and I'm going to click create ad account. Then you're going to go ahead and add yourself to this ad account. Alright, and when you come back to your business manager, your ad account should be added, and you are ready to go. Here you got your business manager and your ad account set up. So now I'm going to explain the purpose of this. The reason this is important is because this is what's going to control all your pixel data and keep it in one spot. So right now you have One Steal at a Time, or your website, linked to this ad account in your business manager. Well, what this is going to do is it's going to keep all that pixel data under one hub, so that when you create a niche store, it's going to still link that pixel data and still focus on the data that has provided in getting future orders for that niche. So this is actually a very important step, because now you got this ad account under your business manager, and what this ad account does, it allows you to stack pages on top of each other. So right now you only have one page, and that's going to be your general store that you're testing one product at a time on. But as you start to gain momentum and pixel data with that, you're able to link different accounts to it, different pages to it. And then from there, it's going to use that same pixel data from your original general store, and it's going to apply it to all your other pages, aka your niche stores that are going to follow up after you get the data for whatever niche your product that you're selling is in. So now that that's all set up, we're going to go ahead and add your payment information, because you're not able to launch any ads until you do this. So go to your settings right up here. You're going to click on payments, and then you're going to add your payment right here, your payment method. So once you're done filling all that in, we're going to go ahead and set up your pixel. And as I've been saying from the beginning, this is very important. So go up here in the settings and click pixels. Very simple. It used to be very complicated, but now Shopify has integrated it well into their system, and it's much simpler now. So it'll take you to this page. You're going to click create pixel. Click create. And now it's going to give you the instructions on how to integrate this pixel into your Shopify store. So basically, it'll supply you with a pixel ID right here, and all you're going to do is copy that. You're going to go into your store. You're going to go to the online store tab, click preferences. You're going to scroll down. You're going to paste your pixel in the Facebook pixel tab. That's a tongue twister. Go ahead and click save. And while we're on this tab, we're going to go ahead and do a few things that I forgot to mention in the previous video. So for your title and meta description, this is what's going to pop up when someone actually goes to your website. You're just going to type in your website, Steal at a Time, and then just write a short description. Like I usually do, like high quality steals of deals, one at a time. This isn't going to matter too much because not too many people are going to come from a Google search to your website. This is what's going to show up when they find your actual site on Google, but your SEO is going to be so low, it's mostly going to be driven traffic from your Facebook ad. So next you're going to want to go scroll down, and if you started your Shopify plan, go ahead and unenable the password page so that people are able to access your website. Just hit save, and there you go. This is the end of this video, and I'll see you all in the next.